Okay, I was just about to make a coffee and I thought I may as well make this video because I've been meaning to clean this up. And this is obviously like an electrical reaction. It creates all this fuzz on the positive terminal. Looks terrible and it will definitely affect performance of the battery, I'm guessing, at some stage. So anyway, first thing we do is go and boil some water. It's my rock collection from the rivers around here. Yeah, it's amazing. I'm in the centre of the North Island. You couldn't get any further away from the ocean, and yeah, get scallops and different shells. This one's full, some different shells. But yeah, all these different fossils, quite cool. Anyway, let's not fix in the car. Turn that on, and we're going to make coffee as well. Vietnamese. If you want coffee that actually works, Vietnamese is always the go. But that's good instant coffee, that one. Anyway, we'll wait for this to boil. I'll put you on pause. Holy hell, that took about 18 years to boil that time. Alright. Alright. You come over to the car. Like I say, these videos are just for these average person that's going to come and see something like that coming out of their battery and think, what the hell kind of alien is growing here? So it's probably some sort of crystalline acid. Well, it is some sort of crystalline acid, so it's going to be sulfuric or something. Anyway, you just get your boiling water and look at that. Truly amazing. Cleans it off straight away. No dicking around with brushes and crap. Just pour it all over it. This vehicle goes down into a plastic box, which I'm hoping is running out a tube down there. But yeah, just give it all of it. Clean it up. Oh, steaming up the camera. There we go. Look at that. Clean as. You then come and get some grease. I mean, this is red rubber grease. I don't think it matters what the hell grease you use. And just give it a smear around. God, made a dog's breakfast with that all over the top of my finger. Like I say, you could use probably just anything. Vaseline, wheel bearing grease, rubber grease, just anything. Clean it up. Put your cover back on. It's not even the right cover. So anyway, that's us. Done. Hope you got something out of that, and catch you next time.